y'all? It is Chris with penniesofthousands.com, and I have another video on this site, Inbox Dollars. This is one of my favorite get paid to sites just because there's so much potential in making money with this site. It's been around for a very long time. They are always on time with the payments. It's just, I look at it as one of the first, original get paid to sites out there that's been legit. It's been, moving along for well over 10 years now. So just a quick update with this. I have $19.04 on this video. I'm going to cash that out. I've made plenty of videos on this site of just showing you the numerous ways you can make money with it. From the offers, they have 100% free offers, things you can do on there. Content discovery, this is basically just, clicking on ads. It's very simple. They got the survey section, of course. They got games, you can shop. They got the magic receipts where you can basically, go shopping and get cash back for some of the items that you bought. They also have a feature where you can just take pictures of any receipt and you can make it 2 cents for every receipt that you submit. You can search and get points and money for that as well. So there's lots of potential on this site. Matter of fact, this is the home page and this shows you just the magic receipts portion. Like there's so much cash back in this. Like when I go grocery shopping, this is one of the first things I do, just kind of look on here and see what they're offering as far as cash back goes. And there's just, on the homepage, a little bit of everything on here, as far as some of the offers, things you can earn, Exxon Mobil, credit union, things like that. There's tons of ways to make money on here. I will leave a link at the top of this video, giving you more of a full tutorial on this site, Inbox Dollars, if you're not familiar with it, because it's definitely one you should have in your routine because, I'm making good money with it. So you can make your money with it as well. Right here, they have the envelopes where you can get paid 2%, or not 2%, but 2 cents for every email that you open. So I have 15 emails there. That is 30 cents potentially. I'm going to just click on this real quick to show you how this goes. They'll send you a few emails every day. You can just basically just, rack up on that. So right here, like you see right here, $19.04. So I'm going to click on this one right here. And all you have to do is go down to where it says confirm this paid email. You click on that, it'll open up another page. You can get involved with the page if you want to, but just for the purpose of this video, just showing you how easy it is. So again, I'm going to refresh the page just to show you that I got that 2 cents. And right there pops up $19.06. So it's just that easy, with the emails. I have a few of them that I haven't checked on just because when I'm on this site, I'm, so focused on the surveys and the offers that I kind of forget about how easy this money is. So I'm going to definitely get involved with that. But to the fun part of this, I want to show you the cash out. So I'm going to click on rewards here. And they have lots of different gift cards you can choose from Amazon to, some flights. They got Bath and Body Works, Best Buy, CVS. There's a little bit of everything on here. There's some restaurants on here as well. I'm a PayPal guy, and the minimum to cash out with PayPal is $10. With some of these other things, it's $10 as well. But it just really depends on what you want to do. I know Amazon's another big one that's $10 minimum for that as well. So I remember when I first started using this site, a long time ago, their minimum was $30, and I felt like a lot of people weren't really a fan of that high threshold, that the high cash out threshold. So they actually brought it down to $10, which is a lot more user friendly. So just the fact that they've actually listened to what the people are saying and made implements and changed that thing around just shows you how a good of a site it is, because there are a lot of sites out there that where the cash out threshold is just super high and people complain about it and the site will not budge at all. They won't move it. So the fact that Inbox Dollars does that is really cool, and I really appreciate them for that. But again, it's going to cash out here. Just click on PayPal, and I already have my PayPal information with the site. So when you sign up, you can pretty much add all of that. So for here, I just need to put in my password. So let me do that real quick, and I'll come right back. So actually, before I even do that, I need to actually pick out which one I want. So I don't want the $10 one because I actually have $15. So I'm going to click on that. And, you can only cash out, the amounts that they have here. So it's 10, 15, 30, 40, 50, and 100. So after I cash out this $15, I would have $4.06 left in my account. And I like to have a little money left in my account because that just motivates me to get to the next cash out. I kind of, even though it's fun cashing out all your money, the fact that you can have a little bit left over after you cash out is really cool because it just, makes you reach that next cash out threshold even faster. So let me enter my password in real quick. And so it's going to ask me if I'm sure I want to redeem this $15. So Just making sure that, you know, everything's good. So all I do is click on confirm here. And you'll see just like that, congrats on your redemption. $15 has been deducted from your account. So you see it has been. I got $4.06 now. So now I'm on to the next cash out. And as far as, you know, the waiting time for this site, I say it typically takes about, you know, 2 days for them to pay you. So that's not, you know, super long time. I don't have a problem waiting, you know, 2 days, because my thing is, you know, it's not so much about how long it takes for a site to pay you. The most important thing to me is that they do pay you. You know what I'm saying? So me waiting 2 days, hey, I'm not a problem with that, because in that 2 days I can still be using this site and make more money with it. So, like I said, if you want to see a full tutorial on this site, I do have a video on that. I have plenty of videos on it, so you can, you know, feel free to, you know, watch the video that I do the full tutorial on, or any of the videos on my channel. So I will leave the link to this site in the description. It is free. Definitely sign up if you want to make money online, completely free. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.